Air supports life. Oxygen. Most living things use oxygen from the air to live. Plants also use oxygen. Air enters a plant through tiny pores called stomata. Most land animals breathe oxygen directly from the air, mainly with the help of lungs. The air we breathe collects into the lungs. The oxygen from the air in the lungs is absorbed by the blood and is supplied to the whole body. Fish, crabs, and many animals live in water. They take in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Whales, dolphins, turtles, and sea snakes have lungs. Although they live in water, they breathe air from the atmosphere. These animals come to the surface of the water to breathe. Activity. To show the presence of air in soil. Take a glass beaker and put a lump of dry soil into it. Add some water to the beaker. What do you observe? You will observe that some bubbles come out of the soil. This shows that air is present in soil. When you pour water on the lump of dry soil, it goes into the spaces between the soil particles, and air comes out of the soil in the form of bubbles. The organisms living in soil use this oxygen trapped in the soil. Nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen to make proteins which are essential for their growth. Plants cannot absorb the nitrogen directly from the air. Through lightning and rain, nitrogen in air is brought down to the earth in the form of nitric acid. Soil changes it into nitrate compounds, which are absorbed by the plants. Roots of plants like peas and beans have certain bacteria in their nodules. These bacteria absorb nitrogen from the soil. Carbon dioxide. It is a very important gas both for plants and animals. Plants use it for making food, which in turn gives food to the entire living community.